Welcome to Vitsupp. In this video, we will tell you how apple cider vinegar is good for your skin. But remember, you should preferably use apple cider vinegar after diluting it with water. Number 1. ACV treats pimples and acne. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties and is a strong cleaning agent. It helps remove germs, dirt and excess oil that lead to pimples. Number 2. ACVSoothes mild sunburn. Apple cider vinegar contains alpha-hydroxyl acid, which speeds up the healing process. If you have light sunburn, applying it can soothe the affected area. Number 3. It is a great face toner. Instead of expensive products, you can use apple cider vinegar as a face toner. It reduces production of excess sebum and cleans dirt, germs and dead skin cells, giving you a toned and glowing face. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar can reduce wrinkles and age spots. Alpha-hydroxyl acid is shown to remove dead skin cells and lighten the skin. Also, acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar firms up the skin and with regular application smoothens wrinkles and fine lines. Number 5. It can lighten your skin. Apple cider vinegar contains glycol, which lightens skin naturally. It is also a good exfoliant, which removes dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar can treat skin rashes. Being a wide-range antimicrobial agent, apple cider vinegar can help treat skin infections or rashes. If you have a mild rash, you can dilute apple cider vinegar with water and apply on the area. However, if the rash persists, take the doctor's advice. Precaution: do not apply apple cider vinegar on skin directly. Always remember to dilute apple cider vinegar with water before applying it. Repeated use may cause burns or irritation. If you've enjoyed watching this video, do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.